So hi everyone, it's me Persija again, and for today's video is pinapanood ko yung conversation namin ng aking asawa before when I was in do live streaming and LDR kami that time, and parang kailan lang kasi nasa Qatar siya that moment and ako naman is nasa Pinas na. So this is our conversation, and in-interview ko ata siya about um, marriage life, and then isusulat ko pala sa description below yung aming napag-usapan or the full videos nitong reels na ito or nitong short na to, guys. So I don't know if ano pa yung mga nangyayari dito, but I'm so happy na nakikita ko to sa TV yung aming conversation, and when pinapanood ko yung aming chika-chika is kinikilig naman ako lagi, no? So, always treasure the moment, and hindi mo na malayan na natutupad na pala yung mga pangarap mo na makasama mo yung partner. So, again guys, that's all for today's